massage.
Oh, this is the place?
Yes, massage place.
Hi, you guys. They do massages here. Hello, good morning. Good to know. So we're walking down to the falls. My shoes are falling apart. I'm hoping they'll stay together for this trip.
Yeah, I hope
because
so.
this is our last day before we head home. And look where we're going, you guys. We're going all the way to the bottom. It looks to be quite a walk.
La, you be careful here. It's wet.
Yeah, just gotta be really careful.
There you guys. With the handsome one. Sharat.
Lost our stairs here, so we're just kind of going down the mud path now.
Look, it's a coffee. Yeah, that's coffee.
See the prize in the distance? It's about a 30-minute walk, so or an hour, depends.
Depends on your walk.
On your walk?
You walk.
Ah.
Oh, look! It's the same in Mindanao po. Remember that? Look, we have like meron kami sa Mindanao. Sa province namin. Di ba kuya, pwede ka uminom nito? You can drink this one.
Careful coming down this spot. A lot of springs coming through here. Everything's wet. Get a little freaked out by these trees, you guys. The spirits, are there spirits in these trees?
Walk, 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 walk.
Walk, walk in the tree. There you go. You guys are just making our way through here. I gotta really pay attention because I'll fall on my butt if I'm not real careful in here. Our legs are really shaky because we walked downhill first without really getting warmed up, so that kind of makes me feel uncomfortable not being really warmed up and then hiking. But I think we maybe got through the worst of it, hopefully. Oh. Just 1 foot off of this thing and I bit the dust, man.
Oh my god, how many times you be like that?
I was just 1 foot off of it and it was a drop. I'm like, what the
Oh my god, and then you have...
Yeah. Oh my gosh, it's incredible. Give you guys a wide shot. Look at this. So this is where we just came down from. You see that white building up on the hill? That's where we were. All right, now we can walk this amazing area here. Just incredible. Oh my gosh. Had to be really careful till we got down to this little bit of a plateau area. Looks like we'll be going up some hill here to get to the falls. But this is just serene and amazing. This is one of the most amazing areas I think I've ever been. I wonder if this is the house they were talking about that's been here about a year. This little trail, especially when your legs are tired coming down that first stretch. You really got to take your time. But this is just amazing in here, you guys. So worth it. Look at that. This little house down here. Little flowers and stuff. Just think they got to come down here all that way to get their groceries and stuff down here, you guys. They got to bring their groceries all the way down that hill. Got the stream coming down through here. Unreal. Got their own little self-sustenance cornfield growing. Look at this paradise. Unbelievable. Just unbelievable. Wow. Tilapia in this little pond here. That's a good idea. They got the spring coming. Heck yeah, I'd be growing tilapia up in the mountains here. Water your crops.
Oh no, be careful here.
Okay, we gotta be real careful here, so I'm gonna have to put everything away. All right, we gotta get to the other side. I think, guys, is that for you? Just crossed here. And now we're going back up this side of the stream, you guys. Take your time up here. Your legs are probably gonna be really wiggly, as mine are. If you're gonna hike and you go uphill first, it kind of strengthens your legs a little bit for downhill, but if you go downhill right away, your legs aren't even warmed up or weak. They have a tendency to get real shaky, and that makes for unsafe hiking. That's kind of how I felt going down 2/3 of the hike here so far. Just starting to kind of warm up a little bit now. Another little house here. It's surprising, that's the third place that we've seen along this route. Oh, this is pretty in here. All the flowers.
Jump!
That's where we were up on the hill. Come all the way down here. You can see they're drying. Looks to be their rice out here. Oh, these ponds are wonderful. Look at these. Right, this would be great. Great for tilapia. Oh, I'd love to have a pond like this. That would be outstanding. Wow. I'd have a lot of these ponds if this were my place. This would be great. Look at that. A little slice of heaven, you guys. A little slice of heaven. Look at how tall these morning glories are. Hello, mein hapon. Now we're going up. Guys, this has me a little bit worried. See how they're coming apart? Both sides are like that. That's why I'm concerned of this hike. We're heading home tomorrow. I'm hoping these shoes hold up till then. All right. Well, the stairs are fairly decent right here. I think you guys, you like this place? This is the real Philippines. There it is in the distance. You just barely see the falls. Looks like it's pretty far down there too. So you gotta be careful up here. I'm sweating good. I gotta really pay attention to these rocks. Place your foot in the wrong place one time and you're gonna go down like I did earlier. You like the fresh air? You like that fresh air, huh? Yeah, I've got a big breeze coming through the trees and it feels really clean and fresh up in here. There's no smoke. It's just beautiful. Just perfect. So this reminds Angela of Linda now. Going through the forest up there seems similar, she was saying. It was funny when I was reading today, they were saying that this hike is a 30-minute hike. For the locals, if they're walking fast, yeah, I could see that. But if you're not a local and you're trying to be careful, it's gonna take you probably an hour. And that's okay, because you wanna be careful in here. Because if you get hurt, look at all the things that you're gonna have to traverse to get back up. Not good.
I don't know where's Kuya now.
Really? Oh, there he is. He hears us. He's waiting on us. Can you imagine the natives living here 1,000 years ago? What a beautiful home they must have had. They use these little trails to do trading. Imagine this was their home. These rivers, these waterfalls. All right, he said the prize is right here.
Oh, look, you guys, it's here.
Very nice. This is stellar. Perfectly clean water.
Wow. You say take me on a treasure hunt. I long for something.
Making our way over there now.
Have you heard the fairies when they sing and dance? Oh, I wish it was me every night. When I close my eyes, I see beauty lives in me. I know I don't yet know it, so I trust you when you say that beauty.
What did you guys think of that place, huh? Pretty stunning, huh? You didn't see any trash. Didn't see any people. That place is just amazing. Oh, chili.
More hotter.
Oh, is that a hot chili? Back. Look at the view from here, you guys. That's really something, huh? Wow.